girls, how are you? Today I want to focus on packing. You have no idea how many times over the last 2 years I have been asked what to pack, how much you should pack, should you bring this, should you bring that, should you leave this at home, and I just want to clarify a few things for you girls. I would say pack the minimum. You have no idea how much stuff you are going to accumulate. You think that 1 year, it is long, but it's not that long, and you say, oh well, I'm not gonna gather this much stuff, and no, you will. My first tip would be to bring as much as you need to get you covered for the first few days of orientation. So that would be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So bring enough that you have maybe 5 pairs of undies in case you want to shower morning and night. Bring jeans, bring sweatshirts, bring summer tops and shorts. I would say bring more of the clothes for the season that you're coming into. So I came in April, so it was spring, but it's still a little bit chilly. It actually still snowed in April, so I would say bring a few hoodies and that kind of stuff, but bring more of what you're coming into. So I knew that I was coming in April and it's gonna get warm around May, so I brought more of summer stuff for when I first came. Bring a few pairs of shorts, t-shirt. I would say maybe 2 to 3 items of each. If you generally spend more time in jeans, then bring jeans. Bring what you think is comfortable for you. I always get asked all the time, which is a big one, should I bring my laptop? And I would 100% say yes, bring your laptop, because if you don't have a TV in your room and sometimes you just want to escape and you don't want to watch TV with the family, you can go up into your room and you can watch Netflix, or you can download movies. Second reason I say to bring your laptop is because you're going to take a ton of photos, and if you don't have enough space in your cloud, then you're going to have to put your photos somewhere. Third reason is because you are going to take classes. You may have to submit assessments depending on what classes you're going to take, and I just find it's generally easier to actually look stuff up on a computer. So I would say yes, bring your computer. Bring your camera if you have one, because you are going to go traveling, so that's kind of a given. Any other devices like iPads, whatever, it's totally up to you. I didn't bring my iPad. My parents have, however, brought it over since. So if you can fit it, I would say bring it. We're in a culture of electronic devices, so if you want it, bring it, I say. And shoes. Make sure you bring enough shoes. It's not like you're going to a third world country where you're not going to be able to buy stuff, but I can guarantee you that if you know that that pair of shoes goes with 5 outfits, then bring those pair of shoes. Do not bring 10 pairs of shoes, that's extremely excessive, but bring 1 pair of workout shoes, or sneakers, and then a few dress shoes or whatever. You are going to buy so much stuff over here, and even if you say that you won't because you want to spend your money on traveling, I can guarantee you are going to accumulate stuff. So I would say keep it to a minimum, and just really pack the necessities and pack for the season that you are going into. I hope that was helpful. If you guys want to comment, share a comment below, or you can find me on my Instagram if you have ideas of what you want me to talk about, or if you're going through something au pair related and you just don't know what to do. I'm always happy to help, so shoot me a message, send me a friend request, and I will definitely try and answer them. Okay, have a good day.